Hi, welcome to our Tuesday technique at Memory Bound. For those of you who are up in your elbows wrapping presents and you want to add that special bow. Fluffy bow, I like the fluffy bows. So you can see that we've used them in a lot of different ways. And they're very, very easy, and you really only need three things. You need a pair of scissors, your ribbon, and your hand. And I know that there are some little tools that you can probably buy to do this, but you can't always find your tools and your hand's always handy. This is the one I just did today. And the ribbon I'm using is 100% silk ribbon that we have in lots and lots of different colors, and it's so much fun to work with. The ribbon I'm using on these two projects are 100% rayon, and you can crinkle it by adding some water. You can stain it, you can stamp on it. Comes in lots and lots of different colors. It's fun to work with too. I want to make this little special box just a little more special for Christmas. Maybe you want to put some candies and some cookies in for someone. And just for your information, we do have these 50% off here at the store. First thing you do is to just pull off a piece of ribbon and tie it in a knot. And you will ask, well, how much does it take? It just depends on how fluffy you want it and how big you want it. But a good rule of thumb is about 3 feet. So we're going to start by putting the ribbon over the 4 fingers of your left hand, if you're right-handed. Now, if you're left-handed, you'll do the opposite. You want to make sure that it comes down and covers all 4 fingers. This is called Spock fingers, and I can't do it, but see how you can spread that like that? Okay, so you're gonna put it in, bring it over, bring it in. So see how I'm making figure 8? And don't do it too tight because you have to get it off your fingers. See how it's just twisting around, and then when you run out, you should have a little bit that'll come down through that middle. You just reach in and pull it off your fingers, and there again, that's why you don't want it too tight. Put it on. You're already pre-tied, and then tie a knot over it. Sometimes it helps to have a friend hold it for you, but it can be done by yourself. And then once you have that tied, go ahead and tie it one more time, like that. And then you just foo-foo them out. Do this on your Christmas presents also. And then I just cut it at an angle, about the length of your foo-foo bows. There you go. I like to take a piece of twine and tie it around and add a charm. See how we took a piece of twine and then added a bell to the middle of that one. On this one, we tied twine and added a little charm also. On this, I just thought this needed a little bit of a fluffy bow. Okay, so I've got my 3 feet of ribbon on my left hand because I'm right-handed. See how I have it coming clear down here, because otherwise if it doesn't come down, it doesn't get caught in the loop. In, over, go back in, over, until you run out of ribbon. And lots of times I don't even cut my ribbon until I kind of eyeball it. I get it the way I want it. Put it there, like that. And then tie it again. And when you're done, take your scissors and trim off your tails. And there's another foo-foo bow, fluffy bow. So here we just made a couple with the rayon ribbons. This can be done with those silk ribbons. It can be done with any ribbon, but look at how soft this one is. So enjoy adding a little fluff to your ribbon making this season. And thank you for stopping in.